In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click on little note icon at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner. Following that, you can adjust all of those options however you want to, or hit presets and click on one of those options. Then tap on yes to load your preset. When you finished, you can adjust all of your preset settings the same way as standard wallpaper. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, hit Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes. Then to apply it, hit Set Wallpaper. Decide if you wish to use it or home screen and lock screen, and close your Magic Fluids app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!